Hey, what up, fam? It's Quay from Pray for Traction. So, gonna head over to a Cars and Coffee down the street from me, actually, and I forgot my GoPro, so I'm filming on my phone. Hopefully the video's not that bad. I got the latest iPhone out, but if anyone is looking for a Challenger, got one of those, so hit me up. Not taking the blue car today. I'm actually going to take out the RX8 for the first time, so let's see how this goes. So I still got to clean up the mess from the back, but I just wanted to show you guys this setup. It's really janky. So this right here slides in to this terminal, and then you put that in and then thread it down, and that's what holds it on there. So I'm gonna be redoing that very soon. Pulled in, got the car parked way over there. Figured I'm just gonna shoot some video for you guys, and then we'll look at my car. America. It's not really many places to park. Still some regular traffic to drive through here. I mean, it is a marina.
Yep. That color stuff is, I don't even know right? That. I've never seen that older bike in real life.
Yeah. Got a little peek there of the RX8. Pop, pop, pop.
I'm not scared to get in the torque management.
Fastest production V6. He's got the fastest code.
Not gonna lie, that thing's pretty cool. It's an Isuzu. Oh, see the RX8, big boot.
I got the same which one, the Mark II Ford Focus. Yeah, that's No, this is even more rare. Everyone wants to do that. The ones about to be crossed, everyone. Not more than you sit there in a Subaru and it's not even
I think Ricky's is still in the shop right now. Working on the other two or something like that.
Alright, so now I'm no longer going to be the coolest car to meet. Challenger. Just bought this thing and found out it had a misfire on cylinder 2, which is this first one on the passenger side. I've already swapped coil packs just to make sure that it didn't follow on the coil pack. I put brand new plugs in that cylinder, still misfiring. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to swap a fuel injector, see if it follows the cylinder after I swap the injector out, and if that's the case, I'll go buy a brand new injector and throw it in here. But I had to leave the meet, didn't get much footage of the car, knowing that I had to work on this thing, and I was hoping I didn't have to get this far into it. I was hoping that maybe it's just a coil pack, but a little further into the abyss. So after all that, still got a cylinder 2 misfire. So it didn't move cylinders. I need to further diagnose this thing. Damn, working on Dodge, man. Go Chevrolet. All right, so as you can see, it's working on that Challenger, and it didn't move cylinders. I'm gonna have to further diagnose that. Not looking forward to it. Chevrolet's a whole lot easier to work on, and I don't know. So what I'm gonna do now, I guess I'm just gonna cut my losses, try to save my time, go hit up one of these night meets and see what's going on. Some sport. See, I'm gonna pop the hood in a minute. Oop, I'm in the way. This is some of the cars at the night meet.
I do love these. Oh, especially this one too.
Really fire. Very 6 foot.
He wins. But usually